Welcome to IW Academy, the best e-learning place for kids, the best homeschooling for elementary education. The Innovation and Wisdom Academy is your one-way stop to an educational e-learning experience that believes in high-quality methods that provide lifelong results. This is the virtual schooling resource you've been looking for. Our online elementary education helps develop independent, responsible, confident, and well-rounded individuals, those who aspire to achieve their full potential. Let's explore these traits a little more. We encourage students to become independent learners. How? Through easy-to-follow interactive videos and exams that take students through each step. Students can work independently on their courses. Students can study a majority of their subjects on their own with no assistance from parents or teachers. Our educational platform is smart and interactive and easy to learn. For the students, the IW Academy platform is easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to like. At IW, we encourage students' individuality. Here, students take responsibility of their own learning experiences. This enables them to develop problem-solving skills and an understanding of their strengths and weaknesses. It also teaches them self-discipline and time management. By enabling them to design their own learning experience, each student can go at their own pace to fit their needs. Having access to the most advanced technologies will assist their development of the best skills for their core school subjects. We prepare our students for the world by instilling core knowledge and good morals and skills. Furthermore, we believe in quality education coupled with teaching faith-based tenets so that the students can grow academically and spiritually. These attributes contribute to their development as well-rounded individuals. At IW, students build their confidence while gaining knowledge, as we encourage our students to try again in a safe environment that encourages building self-esteem and self-assurance. Our educational process and platform is smart and interactive, as it can easily track students' academic progress and performance. This helps with identifying the areas that need further improvements. It also makes way for building confidence in those areas. We boost our students' confidence through empowering them with all the resources they may need to succeed. So what resources do we offer our students? IW Academy offers the development of skills for school core subjects. These are presented through engaging video narrations along with interactive applications of their skills and gained knowledge. The continuous assessment of student academics progress. In order to assess each student's skill mastery, we have provided a quiz with each lesson and an exam at the end of each chapter, plus lots of fun games. The IW platform is designed to get a yes from all our students and parents. Live student reports. These reflect students' grades and completion status per subject. Furthermore, IW Academy offers educational games that combine education with fun. Samples of the educational games are the basketball game, where the student has to answer as many correct answers as they can to get the highest number of hoops. The gold collection game, where the student earns a piece of gold for each correct answer. The rabbit game, where the student needs to jump across to an island without falling into the water. The space game, where the student needs to destroy the invader using as many correct answers as they can. The finishing game, the football game, the kangaroo game, the cat game, and many more. So after all these educational benefits and predicted outcomes from our outstanding e-learning platform, the question that remains to be answered is, why us? Our promise is to provide affordable, high-quality e-learning for elementary education, for we believe that every student should have access to quality learning and essential applied knowledge. We provide a quantum leap in advanced homeschool e-learning curriculums for kids grades KG through 6th in both English and Arabic. On our e-learning platform, we cover courses on English, math, science, Arabic language, ethics and Islamic studies, and soft skills. IW Academy, where all students go to succeed. Let us take a moment now and see the feedback coming from participants and parents of IW Academy e-learning platform. Sarah's mother feedback on Sarah's experience is:
studying at IW Academy has been one of the best decisions we've ever made for my daughter. Sarah's attended regular school all her life. I never knew how positive of a change it would be for her to start doing online school. IW Academy has not only given Sarah the chance to work at her own pace and choose her desired path, but it's also allowed her to become responsible and academically independent. Sarah can now study on her own and likes most subjects. IW Academy learning methods are quite impressive.
In summary, IW Academy is the place to prepare students for the world and for success. We create a pathway that assists students in achieving their educational and personal goals, leading to a brighter future. Seize this life-changing opportunity now and join the lighthouse of essential knowledge.